Hey YouTube. Today we're going to be dealing with a leaking toilet, an American Standard. It just keeps on leaking the bowl or the tank dry over time, and it doesn't seem to take more than a couple of hours for it to leak down. And we have septic out here, so we're paying constantly every time this thing empties. Anyways, what we're going to do here is shut the water off to start, which is down here. We got a valve here. We just turn this thing clockwise, which is already off. Just clockwise turns the water off. Then what we're going to do is flush out the tank, drain it, and we're going to take a look and see what happened here. So just hold on. We got to twist this off. It's clockwise, and then it just pulls up, and the rest of the water will flush down. Now at the bottom of this thing, there's a seal here. And what has to happen is this rubber seal that's here has to come off, be cleaned, and possibly flipped. This little rubber seal, you can get it off with just by using a little pry tool or a screwdriver or something. You can see there, see, it's rolling up. You just got to pull it off, peel it off. There's a little thing you got to peel it off around here, and then just flip it. But before you flip it and put it back on, just make sure it's very clean. Put it back on. I already did this one. It's flipped, it's put back on. So now we'll just put it back into place. There it is. So it just drops into a slot, and then you put it back. Now the minimal flush is on the left, and the max flush is on the right. So anyways, that is how I got this thing to stop leaking. Anyways, we'll turn the water back on and I'll show you. And as the tank fills, it just starts to hold water now because the seal is doing its job inside of this module. Anyways, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And have a great day.